Good morning, fellow farmers. My name is Donovan Losper. I'm currently employed by the Agricultural Bank of Namibia as a mentor for the Klaras region. It's quite a vast region, but I'm trying my utmost best to get to all corners of the Klaras region. We're offering mentoring services. If you, say for instance, bought a farm and you need some training, you need some extra knowledge, you're welcome to contact our office and we'll assist you from there. In addition to that, we're also offering training courses in different fields of agriculture. So if there is a need, for example, poultry training, piggery training, crop production, feel free to contact our division and I will be of your assistance. Furthermore, I just want to give you a tip for the week, and this is actually one of the biggest issues in our small stock areas. We know our Klaras region is mainly a small stock area, and that is predator control. Please, farmers, make sure that you make predator control an essential part of your management on the farm. Remember, at the end of the day, if you do not do that and your stock gets eaten by jackal or jarakal or whatever predators you might have, it would mean less money in your pocket. So please make sure that by all times, together with all farming activities, you integrate predator control into your day-to-day management of your farming entity. Thank you so much.